don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by the Godfather.
Hey, Stibo.
Godfrey the Godfather.
Braga. Hey, today I feel safe. I'm not able to get
safe. Come on,
Hey, today I feel safe. Okay, let me first congratulate Orlando Pirates for winning this game. Yeah, so and other thing also, Mr. Joaha, this was lost and found. So this thing was lost and now you found it. So, no, last week was Kukun. So it was lost. So now we found it. So thanks, Ralewa. Yes. Yeah. So other thing also, this is a game. This is the football, Yeah, and let's accept the defeat, and move on because. This is the back-to-back lose for us. So sometimes I cannot point the fingers to individuals. Because we lose as a team, we win as a team. So and even the coach, substitute Dibile late, and immediately panic substitute, because the guy like believer like even the debris, I'm Tromsel game, because on speed, and defense Pirates, and speed, they are too slow, so that's why the believer and give a coach Tromsel game, then from there. So because especially midfield midfield kumolo mfano ngobo nkosing pile mfano ubadlala mfano bayitswere Pirates kwa midfield just that we need a support and other thing also and Matt
Yusuf
is our captain Mara. It doesn't communicate with the players. Because if you're a captain, you have to meet the coach halfway. If coach maybe it says something, as a captain, you must talk to the players. You must talk to the players. Okay, guys, now let's do like this. Let's move. Even our goalkeeping department, I still feel like Chiefs Riza Kune early, because experience ya Kune. With the counter more goalkeeping department, because especially especially when it comes to Chiefs is the only team when it comes to the goalkeepers, number one, especially from the development, because like Bruce Woman. It came from the development. But like sometimes communication. Sometimes I communicate the defense. But those are communicating. Sometimes the mistake. Sometimes blame maybe some of the things was not blame because I still believe is the best goalkeeper. Even sometimes the coach sometimes goalkeeper can get tired. Sometimes the millionaire rotated sometimes. I understand, or maybe with the 3 goalkeepers that we have now, it's like now it's like now Vomogari Chiefs is like now we really know. We still gonna look there a goalkeeper. So now just we multiple in the fella until the goalkeeper is sharp. So that is why I get sometimes especially Chiefs first half. I was the Chiefs singing or game me Philip Pirates. I was because Chiefs especially for the first half. Chiefs gonna be control game me. Just that especially like now and then. Game management is a problem also because last time like Eric Lalali Marumone we score first. Wabon. Then Marumo equalizer, then Yar leader again. Wabon. Yawina 2-1 last week. So now again, Radita Pirates or 1. Then Pirates Yabuya, then Yageja equalizer Yariene. Score. So which means so goal learn go like especially gora elu sometimes so like relax if tamu relax and relax ala timile ngorne idin ebo yabon yeah so this thing sometimes cannot the player game was blame the player because game asinyo by winner was the game wabon especially more on the middle of the park, on the park, even our back four, but here the low blocks, so the way Chiefs were low down and I go especially more middle field, because more middle field coach are gonna the substitute jaw, but the coach are blame too much because sometimes it's a first season here, you know, I don't know Chiefs. But already so I see Chiefs to the final, and Nedbank Cup. So I like now, I'm still not convinced of the way rules here because you are not really rather the way the supporters of Pirates. One are confident for more team here, but on the 10th, more the teams are young with Jamaga. More good do or die, more good. The players are in, even we're gonna support them. We're gonna be behind them. Even like now here the FNB, we're gonna the Chiefs or like everywhere. So look what they're doing. We're still gonna support them. So game me like they're still the good video look I say even no. And I will so give now the Chiefs. Nedbank you leave Nedbank. I am with Jamagati. Nedbank yona. That's why the game here no. Pirates are now in confidence. You already see they were okay. When I go to sharp. So now which means we have to go and go to the drawing board. Then we have to fix where we have to fix it. So which means we're gonna play there like underdogs. So which means we need this thing, this cup more. Actually, because now it's gonna be 10 years, and this is if we're gonna win this cup, everything you lose it. Even if we can get position number 9, but as long as we get Nedbank, then we're gonna fix everything there. After that, yes, So Nedbank here, so Kaizer Chiefs. Let's go in numbers there and support our boys. But I know we're gonna lift this cup. This cup is going to Naturena. So Pirates grata confident abona the loro but believer maybe team abona go know budget everything is sharp. So the way everything is sharp we're gonna disappoint them. Gada there Ben. We wanna baptize them there. So Robaisa go lewa deni ntungo lwa bunchi go ntwebona no Pirates was gonna be number 2. They wanna know they are out of the cave. They wanna take number 2. We're gonna take the Nedbank. So that one gilo gamkwelo gone. Ingwali you level rate. That's why today game here today. Legal losing we get the word game here today. Even good have to expect maybe like a draw, but the will win the goal. Now obviously there's no way we can lose 3 games in a row. So Nedbank is very GI on a veil. I know, I'm not stressed.
Thank you, Godfather.